Hi everyone, welcome to Clara's Feng Shui Cafe. The feng shui of our front door is very important because it's the entrance for qi or energy to come into our home. A house is like a person. For example, a person who is eating healthy can prevent many diseases. Well, that's the same with our house. The front door is like the mouth of the house. The energy or qi entering the house through the front door can directly affect our health, wealth, and prosperity. In this video, I'll share with you top 5 feng shui tips for your front door. Tip number 1. The front door should not be too big in relation to the size of your house. The front door is the entrance for qi or energy. If the door is too big, the good qi that brings the opportunities and the wealth could easily slip away. Tip number 2. Avoid a direct alignment of the front door with the back door or window. Using this floor plan as an example, when standing at your front door, can you see your backyard through your back door or window? If you can, that is not good feng shui because the qi or energy can rush straight out of the house without circulating in your home. Think of energy like water. A good feng shui should be one where the energy enters the house from the front door, is slowly circulating and nourishing your home before flowing out. This would create a harmonious energy flow around your house that can enhance your wealth and health. Now back to the first example. A remedy for this type of layout is that you can place a screen or barrier of tall plants near the main entrance to prevent the energy rushing straight out of the house. Tip number 3. The front door should not be facing the toilet, the stove, or the sink. If you can see the toilet from the front door of the house, then the good energy entering the house would be contaminated by the bad energy from the toilet, as a result affecting your health. A remedy for this is to place indoor plants outside your bathroom because the plants can purify the energy emitted from the toilet. Similarly, if you can see the stove from the front entrance, that's not good feng shui because stove represents wealth. And exposing your wealth to the public could bring financial loss or even house burglary. Also, if you can see the sink from the front door, it's not good feng shui either, because water represents money. When the energy rushing straight out of the house, your fortune luck also gets flushed out quickly. A remedy for this is that you can place a screen near your front door so you can't see the stove or the sink directly from the front entrance. Placing the screen near the front door can slow down the energy so it can flow softly around the screen and into the house. But of course, you need to leave a narrow gap as a walkway. Tip number 4. Keep your front door clean and tidy. As I've mentioned earlier, the house is like a person. The front door represents the mouth of the house, so it needs to be cleaned to let the fresh air come in through. Therefore, do not put your shoes near your front door. Instead, you can put some plants on both sides of your front entrance. The plants are like bodyguards protecting your house's safety. This theory is in line with what I've mentioned in my previous videos, that the left-hand side represents the green dragon and the right-hand side represents the white tiger. Both can provide strong support and protection. Tip number 5. Make sure there's no obstruction blocking your front door view. When looking out from your front door, make sure there's no trees blocking your view. If there's a tall tree right in front of your main entrance, this tree can block the good qi or good energy entering your home. If you like my videos, feel free to leave your comments and subscribe to my channel.